In this video, I'm going to share with you a new feature that's been added to the Hashnode article editor. Just in case you're not aware, besides this YouTube channel, I also have a blog hosted on the Hashnode platform. And one of their recent features is an AI-powered assistant that's integrated into the editor. As someone who's always looking for ways to streamline my writing process, I've been blown away by this new feature. In this video, I'm going to give you an inside look at how it works by creating a brand new article with the help of this incredible assistant. So buckle up and let's get started. I'm going to write a new article. To serve as an example, let's imagine that I want to write an article about native development versus cross-platform development. I have already written the introduction. And now let's say that I want to make this first paragraph more SEO friendly. I'm going to click on this button that have been added to interact with the assistant, and in this panel that opens, I'm going to click on rewrite my intro paragraph and make it SEO friendly. And as you can see, it gives me a suggestion for a possible improvement of this paragraph. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to replace my paragraph with the new one with the suggestion. And this is one of the things in which it can help us. Let's say I want to kick off the article by writing a subtitle. As you may know, the first H2 of a page holds significant importance for SEO. In this case, the subtitle I've just written will be the first H2, and we want it to contain relevant keywords and be as SEO friendly as possible. To achieve this, I'll select the subtitle and use the option that suggests me a more optimized version for SEO. Another handy feature is the ability to change the tone of the text. For instance, let's say I've written a paragraph in a formal tone, but I want to switch to a more casual one. I'll select the paragraph, click on the wizard button, and choose the Write in More Casual Tone option. The AI assistant will then suggest a possible rephrasing. If I'm not satisfied, I can try another tone options, such as a more professional one, until I find the one that works best. Another thing we can do is to ask the assistant to transform a paragraph into a list of points. Let's take this paragraph as an example and request the AI to convert it into a list. This will help us turn a text block into a more readable and attention-grabbing format. Another option we have is to ask the assistant to shorten or lengthen the text. Let's try asking her to lengthen it. As you can see, the paragraph has expanded significantly, and the assistant has almost written the entire article on her own. We can also ask her to shorten it. In this case, it doesn't let me choose the option since, from what I've seen, this wizard can only transform smaller text blocks. We're going to choose this one in the middle and we are going to ask her to make it shorter. Finally, besides making text shorter or longer, we can also ask the assistant to create a summary. If we click on this button up here, we have access to more options. In theory, we can ask the AI assistant anything we want. So let's try asking it to continue writing for us. As you can see, we have requested more paragraphs to be written. Overall, this is the new artificial intelligence assistant that has been added to the article editor. I've been testing it for the past 2 days and I have found it quite useful. Currently, it's in the testing phase and not available to everyone. Since I write many articles and I am an active user on the platform, they have given me access to test it. I'm not sure what plans they have for this feature, whether it will be available to everyone or if it will be included in the new payment plans they are preparing. In any case, I hope this video has been interesting and has motivated you to start a blog if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching until the end. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.